Okay, everyone, so now we're moving on to our next step, and we are going to upload our layer. So again, here we have our CSV file saved like we left off from last time. So we are going to go to the layers pane, and we are going to click add layer from file. And we're going to add the CSV that we just created. And once we upload it, it wants us to click next 3 times. So again, we're uploading it as a hosted feature layer. And this is all correct here. And now we are going to give it a proper title, what our data is about. So public murals and our initials. Forgot the S. And then your tags, murals, and the summary. So we're being descriptive about it. Location of public murals and includes URL to images. And let's click create and add to map. And next it wants us to style the points. So again, it's going to take a while to load. I will be back showing you the points. Okay, so now we'll be configuring the pop-ups. So let's go to the pop-ups. You will find it here with the 3 options of more and click pop-ups. And it's asking us to look at the preview of the public murals layer. So again, the point vector feature layer that we're looking at is the Mama Said Produce. So here it wants us to expand the title and clear the existing text. So on this pane, let's click on title and let's erase the text. And we are going to click on this button here. And when we click on this button, it gives us a list of fields. And recall that when you are working in the spreadsheet, you set up the first field name to be title, which we see here, title. So let's click on that, and we could see our pop-up viewer updates to our title, Mama Said Produce. And then for the fields list, click options and choose delete because we do not need to see the latitude and longitude coordinates of this mural. So click on these 3 options and click delete. And next it says to click add content and choose image. And when you click on that, you're going to click on the button next to the enter URL. And we want to put the field image URL. And click done, and this will update the pop-up viewer to just show us the title of the mural and the photo. And we can close this and click save. And now your vector points will update to a nice pop-up viewer of the title of the mural and the photo. And you will be answering questions in your Word document of the 10 murals that you added, such as what do you notice about the characters and themes of the mural, and how does it apply to the demographics of the communities they are located in. So let's go back to your Word document here. So after completing the tutorial, again, I would like you to provide a screenshot of your final map and include the map link. And here within your questions, I do want you to answer questions from the acknowledgement section of this tutorial. And here is the acknowledgement section of the tutorial. So if you scroll down, you can find out where this data came from, such as the American Community Survey data. And here it states the US Census Bureau American Community Survey, and click the link to explore the website to answer the questions. So it does state here in your Word document, refer to the description and data processing notes section of this tutorial. Here is the description, where the data is downloaded from, the ACS, the information about the survey, and here are the data processing notes that you will answer the questions from, as well as telling me how many layers this data has. Okay, thank you everyone for watching, and let me know if you have any questions. Thank you.